Morning folks. Well, we're all packed up. I've taken all the stuff down to the camper, said us farewells, and we're just ready to set off. Alright, I'll do a bit on the way, you know, like we do. See you later.
You want to, once you've got the thing off of the inside of Asda, do you want to go and get your load from
No, I'm not bothered about it.
You're not bothered about your load?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, it don't matter because it's gone up, you
No,
know.
I'm not bothered. Not bothered. First stop, Asda, to get a few bits. Then the petrol. Got to get some juice. Not petrol, diesel. Get some juice. Okay. We're here. We've arrived. Not too bad. I'm amazed actually at how quiet the road was. We couldn't scenic way. We didn't come down motorway. We come on scenic route. Went up to Skipton and then round sort of Clitheroe, A59, and just touched the M6 for about 3 miles. And no, been all right. So that was a relief. So this site where we're on, I didn't book it. Our anonymous friends have booked it. It's a camping and caravan club site actually. Ah.
What?
Just driving in, it looks like a bit of a DECOR site. No, Pat's pulling me up again. I'm not allowed to make any disparaging remarks about anything. I'm about...
No.
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 And
keep your...
my opinions to myself. I'll show you it.
Let me come in this corner.
It's a little, 5 van CL. Hard standing pitches, hook up. I don't know how much it is, because I didn't book it. But you're straight off at main road. There's no problem. That's where we are. We're only here for tonight. It's a fishery. Blokes come fishing. I'll show you entrance in. There's main road there. Just there, look. You're just straight off at main road. And that's what it is. Oakfield Fishery Camping Caravan Club. So this is where we are for tonight, folks. I don't know what we intend doing this evening, but I'll keep you posted. All right, see you later.